Handang-handa pala kayo. Okay, anong...
Sige, SP, ano
bakit
muna?
niyo ako inimbita?
SP, yung ano muna, comment sa panawagang magbitiw from president to congressman, and then sunod na namin yung snap elections.
There is no legal or constitutional basis for a framework to do or a framework to do that. So I think it is an opinion of a legislator. So I will leave it at that. Hindi pwedeng gawin yun at the moment.
To restore the trust of the public daw, SP, sa gitna ng mga issues ng corruption.
Well, first of all, and I have vowed already, we will make sure that the budget process, as far as the Senate is concerned, will be transparent and accountable. Everything will be done through the eyes or within the purview of the people, of the public. So that's one. And then hopefully the ICI can open to the public its deliberations. That's another. And the most important of all is that the judiciary act well. In other words, may mga ma-prosecute, may mga makulong, at may find guilty yung mga guilty. To make sure that those who are guilty are proven so and are sentenced. Palagay ko doon pag nakita ng mga tao na gano'n na nangyayari, malinaw ang paggamit ng pera nila. Diba? Malinaw ang investigasyon. Malinaw din ang resulta ng judiciary. What more can you ask for? Yun ang importante.
So SP, hindi ho option yung pagbibitiw from president to congressman na sinasabi para daw clean slate, sabi ni Senator Alan.
Cannot be an option. What do you do with those who are not guilty? What do you do with those who are newly elected and have no bad records? What do you do with them? Idadamay mo doon sa mga guilty or sa mukhang guilty kung hindi man guilty. Kung meron bang marumi, ba't natin idadamay yung mga malinis doon sa marumi? So I don't know. It's very far-fetched as far as I'm concerned. It's we will be entering something like uncertainty and chaos in the political world pagka ganon.
Nakausap na ho ba kayo ni Senator Lacson tungkol po dun sa balak niyang resignation? Tinanggap na ho ba yung resignation niya as chairman po ng Blue Ribbon Committee? Salamat po.
Hindi, nagkausap kami kagabi. Wala pa kami tinatanggap. Wala pa naman siyang pinapadalang sulat or I think he wants to do that personally. Nagkausap kami kagabi. And ayun, nagkausap kami kagabi. You know, Senator Lacson is frustrated. He's not stressed. Sanay sa stress yun eh. Yeah. Pero ang nakikita niya, frustrated because nag-hearing siya, may umaangal. Bakit nag-hearing? Pag hindi siya nag-hearing, may umaangal. Ba't hindi nag-hearing? Ano ba talaga? Diba? So, and then I think the way he ran the Blue Ribbon Committee hearings were very good. So, siguro, the man is frustrated. I will support whatever decision he makes, and I will accept whatever decision he makes, and he has my 100% support, whatever it is.
SP, yung pong decision niya po ba ay final na o pwede pa po siyang mapahinuhod ng majority at ninyo na magstay put as chairman po ng Blue Ribbon Committee?
I think that question is best asked of him. I cannot answer for him.
Pero sir, anong sense ng majority?
We can only hope for the best.
Opo, pero sir, ano po ang sentiment, sir, ng majority bloc? Sabi niyo po you're in touch with them. Ano po ang sinabi nila? Gusto ho ba nilang manatili si Senator Lacson o gusto nilang mapalitan?
Karamihan, hindi naman ko komentaryo iba pa, pero yung karamihan ay sinasabing nila na baka pwede pa makausap si Senator Lacson. To stay.